In this video, I will show you how to fix your Spotify Wrapped not showing. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. First, try to open the Spotify app, and if you don't see this screen, then there is a way to fix this. First, of course, try to close the app, like swipe it away, and then open it again, but a second method will likely work. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to any browser like Safari or Google, and then type Wrapped 2024. Or maybe in your case 2025 or 2026 even. But yeah, just type Wrapped and then your year, and then tap on the first link. So this link, and now your Wrapped will open within the Spotify app. You can see it, and yeah, you will also likely see this screen over here, Wrapped. You can also tap on Let's Go to rewatch it, and that is it. That is how you can fix your Spotify Wrapped not showing up. I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.